Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2021 Ram 2500 Tradesman with a garbage bin. See there? That's something new. Never had a costume with a garbage bin. It's by Greenlight from the Hobby Shop Series 13. It is limited edition. Also says 14 plus, so it's not for kids. It's a collectible item. I think it says 14 plus because of the small pieces, which if you give it to a kid, they might break it and choke on it. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see what does it offer. So here's the 2021 Ram 2500 Tradesman out of its box. So it's the trash can. I'm gonna actually show you the trash can first before we move to the truck. So you can see it looks like it's finished in a small scale, maybe close to 164. Shares trash only, and it actually has a lid that opens up. So yeah, a lot of good details for such a small part. Looks nice. I didn't have anything in 164 before. Here comes those like small extra parts. Now moving to the truck. So it's finished in white. It's a Tradesman, so it's the base vehicle. So you will see blacked out details rather than chrome or anything else. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front, you got some nice details and then some very basic details, like the headlamp. I don't know what went wrong with Greenlight there. They just painted it white. So why not have at least painted silver or use the plastic or acrylic material like they do on the other castings. Don't know what went wrong with them there, but I was expecting better headlamps here. Grill looks alright. You've got the big black grill with Ram badge there, black trim on the tops. Grill looks alright, so does the bumper. You got some details in the bumper too. You got an air dam at the bottom. The grill is actually nicely detailed, so is the bumper, but headlamps, man, I was expecting more. Now, on the side, let's move to the driver's side. So you can see there are some nice details. You got the Ram badge, and you got the Hemi badge, so this is the V8. I think there's a 2500 badge on the hood. Let me try and focus there and see if I can show you that. So there's the 2500 badge, the Hemi badge, and the Ram badge. Now, apart from that, you also got a side step, the rubber tires with those chrome wheels. Look very nice. Fuel filler on the driver's side, a long bed. The mirror finished in black. I think it's a wider mirror, the toe mirror they offer. I did forget to mention the windshield wipers here and the bulge in the hood. We also got marking laps on the top. Apart from that, I don't see any major details on the side. Now, it does say 1:64, but with the size, I don't think it's a true 1:64. It might be somewhere close to that because 2500 are much bigger, come with bigger tires, but they look smaller. So I'm not sure. It might be the Greenlight thing. How Hot Wheels has 3 inches. It might be some size close to 164. Not sure. Now coming to the back, again good details in the back. You got nice detailed tail lamp, tow hook at the back, Dodge badge, Ram badge, sorry, a 4x4 badge, tailgate handle, which is again detailed. Bed is finished in black, got nice details. You also see the details on the wheel well there, which is for using a wood you can stack here. Rear window has no opening, smaller window in it, but you've got a painted or detailed top lamp. So good details here. Also on the mirror, you can see the reflective part. They're trying to show you, it has actual reflection, but it's just a silver paint. They could have just used that on the front headlamp. I don't know why they didn't. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference, no fuel filler here. This is how it looks from the top. So that's from the bottom. Looks like the base might be plastic here rather than metal. That's a rubber, by the way. Interior is finished in black. You can see. I'm really disappointed with the headlamp here. I was expecting more. But apart from that, it still looks like a nice casting. Now, why I was saying that it might be not true 1:64, because I have another thing from these ones. and you can see there's a size difference. I know it has got a bigger bed, that's why it's longer, but if you look at the wheels, they look slightly different. Not sure. Not very much sure. Yeah, but apart from that, apart from the headlamp, still looks like a nice casting, and I think it looks good. And if you can ignore the headlamp, you won't be disappointed. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.